37. A block of mass m is released from rest at time t equals 0 at the top of an inclined plane. The coefficient of kinetic friction between the block and the surface is mu. Which of the following sets of graphs best represents the speed of the block and the height above the ground of the block as functions of time? Well, given that there is some acceleration, and they also say that the mass is released from rest, you know that the object should start from a velocity at the origin, which rules out options A and B. Also, because they are talking about the height above ground, that starts out as a maximum and decreases, which rules out option C. Finally, option D shows inconsistent situations because the speed is 0 at the beginning, but the slope of the position is negative. You should start with a slope that is 0 and then it decreases or increases in the negative direction, and that is option E only.